Hello friends, myself Dr. Himani Gupta, practicing gynecologist at Mother and Care Clinic, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. Welcome you to my YouTube channel, My Gynec World. In this series, Gynec Truths for Youth, I have been talking about abortion tablets to you, the young couples, and your common queries. After the tablets are taken, the discussion turns toward what will happen next. When it comes to bleeding, of course, the bleeding will be more than the heavy menstruation cycle for a couple of hours, and then like a heavy menstruation for a couple of days. And afterwards, gradually the bleeding will subside. Lower abdominal pain and cramps happen during this procedure, as abortion tablets are meant to cause contraction of uterus and hence expel the products of conception. Heavy painkillers are avoided during this procedure, as they may cancel the effect of abortion tablets. But simple analgesics can be given as per the advice of your gynecologist. You are advised to take simple home cooked food. Sexual intercourse is best avoided during the bleeding period. Your next menstruation cycle can be a bit irregular in terms of amount of bleeding and duration. But by second cycle, your natural rhythm is expected to return. Once the bleeding period is over after taking abortion tablets and you start sexual activity, I advise you to use one of the barrier contraceptive methods and meet your gynecologist for further advice. Also, remember that abortion tablets work best if given at early gestation age, say up to 45 days, calculating from the first day of your last menstrual period, or by ultrasound it is 6.3 weeks of gestation, till up to 49 days or by 7 weeks of gestation also we give the tablets, but we counsel the young couple that the chances of failure may be a bit higher. I think by now I have pretty much answered the common queries regarding abortion tablets. I will be talking on more youth related gynec topics in my upcoming videos in this series, Gynec Truths for Youth. Keep watching my YouTube channel, My Gynec World. Like and subscribe. Thank you.